Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, you will find out how you can secure browsing with Proton Mail and Proton VPN for absolutely free. If you're looking for a VPN for completely free, so can securely browse through the internet, then here is how you can download and set up Proton VPN and Proton Mail on your PC. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and let's get into this. First of all, go over to your Google browser or any browser that you're using and search for Proton VPN and click on the first link that pops up. Next, click on the Get Proton VPN button, which will direct you to the paid plans of Proton VPN. You can get their Plus or Unlimited deal if you want the benefits, but for the free version, click on Get Proton Free. You'll need to create an account, so add in your mail address, or if you already have an account, then click on Sign In. Next, you can easily download it for your PC, choose your device, and it will start downloading. Once done, open the installer, and here you can choose what Proton softwares you want to download. For example, the Proton Mail, Drive, or POS, so you can select as per need. But for this, we're going to select Mail, then click on Install, wait for it to install, and then open it up, sign in with the account you previously made, and now you can easily connect to the free Proton VPN servers. Just click on Connect. And these are the free servers then you can connect to. So just select, and now you can securely browse through the internet with Proton VPN. You can turn on auto updates from settings so you don't miss any important updates of the app. And that is how you can download and set up Proton Mail and Proton VPN for free in 2025 for secure browsing. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.